You thought electric trucks were just concept hype? Think again. While most brands chase headlines and hashtags, GMC has been quietly doing the work. Not a prototype, not a someday promise. A full electric fleet built for hauling, built for off-roading, built for real life. And it is not just one truck, it is three, each with its own purpose, each ready to show up and get dirty. Today we are breaking down the entire 2026 GMC Sierra electric lineup, from entry level to flagship. This is not a concept review, this is the rollout. Let's go. Number 3, Sierra Electric Elevation.
Elevation is basically the base model, the entry point for the Sierra EV lineup, and it's shown here with some accessories, which is kind of fun.
The base model, but do not call it basic. This is how you get into the Sierra Electric world without luxury pricing. But GMC did not cut corners. All-wheel drive is standard, so is 645 horsepower. And if you spec it right, you get up to 400 miles of range. Starting price is $62,500. With destination, it totals $63,795. It rides on 18-inch wheels, but you can upgrade to 22-inch monoblocks.
It looks very interesting. It kind of caught my eye instantly when I walked up to it, because it's basically, there's no openings in it.
They look great, but they lower payload slightly. What really matters? Towing capacity is 12,500 pounds. Maximum payload is 2,250 pounds. This is real torque, real capability with zero gasoline. In the front, there's a sliding tray in the front, perfect for groceries, tools, or gear. GMC also offers bed racks, rooftop tents, and modular setups for full utility. Bottom line, the Elevation is not trying to be flashy. It is trying to get the job done without breaking your budget. Number 2, Sierra Electric AT4. Built for dirt, not just for the off-road badge. This trim takes the Elevation's platform and upgrades it with real off-road gear. We are talking about Goodyear Wrangler Territory tires, lifted coil suspension, optional rear wheel steering, terrain mode for slow controlled crawling, painted red tow hooks, and a unique grille design. There are 2 battery options available. The extended range battery provides 625 horsepower and up to 400 miles of range. The max range battery delivers 725 horsepower and up to 478 miles of range.
That's a lot of power, and the tire has to be designed for it too, for the weight of the truck and also the power it's trying to put down.
Starting price is $79,300. Fully loaded, it stays just under $89,000. The trade-off? Towing drops to 10,000 pounds because of the off-road tuning. Inside, it features unique stitching, durable, rugged materials, a panoramic sunroof, the Midgate system, and enhanced Super Cruise with lane centering, GPS-based highway exits, and live navigation overlays. This is not mall crawler gear. The AT4 brings real off-road strength on trails and on pavement, and it does it all for under 6 figures.
I think it's a really great deal, and I'm glad GMC is doing this, offering more choices and more affordable choices also.
Number 1, Sierra Electric Denali, where Torco meets tailored leather. This is the top trim, the flagship. Powerful, refined, and still a real truck. Starting price is $69,700. With destination, it comes to $71,795. That is nearly $30,000 less than earlier Denali electric models. Option it all the way out, and yes, you are close to $100,000.
A vehicle that's this big and that's this heavy, it would drive so heavy without that rear wheel steering that it might just be kind of an unbearable driving experience.
But here's what that gets you. 24-inch wheel, the full Midgate system, cream leather interior, real wood trim, brushed aluminum finishes.
It's got an air ride suspension, so it can lift it up and also come down nice and low. This is the lowest setting. I have it set to lower when you park it, so it's easier to get in and out.
And power export up to 10.2 kilowatts. Yes, it tows up to 12,000 pounds depending on how it is configured, but it can also power your house, your tools, or even another electric vehicle. Exterior design includes chrome badging and exclusive paint like deep purple metallic. Inside you get heated and ventilated seats, a flat rear floor, a reworked center console, and the full suite of GMC tech.
I'm not going to put it in 4 low, but it does have a very advanced torque vectoring system, so you kind of have all-wheel drive, even though with that torque number, I mean, it's probably the equivalent of that low gear.
This is still a truck. It just happens to dress better than most sedans. Midgate system, GMC's hidden utility weapon. All 3 trims feature this system. Here is how it works. With the Midgate up, the bed length is 5 feet 10 inches. Drop the Midgate and it stretches to 9 feet 1 inch. With the tailgate down, you get over 10 feet of usable space. It is a 60-40 split, so you can carry long items while still keeping a rear passenger seat. This is not a gimmick. It is a practical upgrade that turns a crew cab into a box truck when you need it. Power export. Silent generator built in. Every Sierra EV can export power. With the larger battery, it delivers up to 10.2 kilowatts. That is enough to run a welder, power an air compressor, charge job site tools, or keep your home running during a power outage. In the bed, you get a 240 volt, 30 amp outlet. You can even use it to charge another electric vehicle. This is not just smart, it is survival ready. One miss, no spare tire. This part is hard to ignore. None of the displayed models came with a spare tire. If you are planning to off-road in the AT4, this is not a minor issue. GMC gives you tie downs in the bed, but the spare is your responsibility. It is a strange omission, especially for a truck aimed at outdoor adventure. The verdict, no gimmicks, just trucks. Here's what GMC actually delivered. Elevation trim, 645 horsepower, up to 400 miles of range, $63,795, tows up to 12,500 pounds. A T4 trim, up to 725 horsepower, up to 478 miles of range. Pricing maxes out around $89,000, tows up to 10,000 pounds. Denali trim, up to 750 horsepower, more than 450 miles of range. Starts at $71,795, tows up to 12,000 pounds, adds full export power and premium materials. These are not teasers, these are not experiments, these are real trucks and they are already shipping. In 2027, GMC is launching a new V8 platform.
So about a year from now, what's happening at General Motors is they announced their investment in V8 engines. So we're gonna have a new V8 engine probably for 2027 model year, that's my guess. It's not gonna happen in 2026 model year.
And in 2028, a next generation battery is expected. Cheaper, lighter, and more efficient. So if you thought electric trucks were still a decade away, you already missed it. The Sierra electric lineup is not a gamble, it is a rollout. And the only question left is, which one are you driving? Drop your pick in the comments. Like this video if it explained things better than the brochure. Subscribe for real reviews, not brand spin, because we are covering every truck that matters and calling out the ones that do not. See you in the next video.